Hey everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. In my today's video, I will tell you about the keyboard settings in your device OnePlus Nord Series 2. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If in your device OnePlus Nord Series 2 you want to do the keyboard settings, or if you want to change the keyboard settings, you can do this by the method as I am showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch the complete video and learn about the keyboard settings in your device OnePlus Nord Series 2. Let's watch the video.